3, 4. Okay, time lapse of stripping this girl down to her bareness, her bare naked frameness. We're gonna have to start with this one. I'm gonna take the seat off first because then I can see how the probably by your buddy down the street. But really, I mean, we've developed a proprietary system to get these plastics back to the best of their abilities. And this will be my before. I wish these old stickers were still on there. I'm getting after it. Now it's starting to look like a motorcycle. To take out the front fender or the number plate because this is all I want to see. What did I see? Oh, they do sell this, just the subframe. There's quite a few of them on eBay. So I might, but look at how, I might just do that rather than try to find a piece of tubing and then you have to fish mouth it and then you have to weld a bung in there so that your silencer bolts on where it's supposed to. And still this air filter, oh my goodness gracious. Okay, yeah, it's a good thing that we didn't ride it anymore. But that's got to, yeah, we're going to get a new air filter. We'll get a uni filter. Get this thing all pressure washed off. But you can see, man, that thing is pretty nice, actually. And I know I need a bike stand. I know. But we'll get that motor mount fixed up. We'll get this coolant leak fixed, which I just, look at the state of that Y hose. I bet you that thing's no longer available. Might even check the torque of the head because it looks like it might have a little bit of a coolant leak right there. But that's all stuff that we can see now. And like, look, this is that motor mount bolt. Whoops! Wow, trick. They're both loose. And like I say, I want to do something different with this, you know, and that's no bueno. Probably, you know, put the right thing on there. But yeah, leaking coolant just like a dirty old filthy, oh my gosh. And I don't know, Two Vintage said he put a chain on here. I don't think there's ever been a, that's probably, oh, and he, I don't know what kind of, if that guy was a pipe fitter or something that did all this, because there should just be a banjo, you know, and then the line, the line should come in a 9-0. I don't know what, maybe that's the way they did stuff back then. You know, lightweight, remove some of the screws. He was adjusting the idle up here, which you don't do that. You adjust the idle down on the carburetor. I beg my pardon. Yeah, I know we're not going to get out all these scratches, but you would be surprised at the way this this. Oh, see, it's just funk on there. Gas, oil. See how they painted that with a, I think they painted that outside with a brush. Look at how these pegs fit in.